Hi YouTube, welcome to the channel. As you saw in the thumbnail, I'll be recording my small account journey. As you can see, this is my current portfolio. I'm starting this channel because I want to document the journey from about $300 to hopefully 1K, then 10K, then eventually 100K if all goes well. And I will record all of it. So I've been trying to search for a series that recorded the entire journey of a small account from the very beginning on YouTube, but I haven't really been able to find anything, which is why I'm starting this. So in this series, I'll try my best to record every single thing that I do on this account. Now, growing this account could take a while. The plays might need some time to play out, unless you're doing some risky options. But yeah, so it could take some time, but I currently have a few options open. You can see below here. So because the market is still red, they're not doing so hot, but we still have some more time on them. So there's a lot to explain about my current portfolio status, including the options that I have and the history of the portfolio, what's happened in the past, and why it's in this state. But I'll make a separate video, and I'll make a separate, more comprehensive video on that. So a little bit about me is I got into the market in January 2021, and I've been trading I've been trading options since I'd say February or March. So I want to emphasize that I'm not advising anyone to do exactly what I'm doing. This is purely for entertainment. I'm not an experienced trader. I haven't even been trading for a year yet. But although I'm not an experienced trader or educated enough to kind of call out plays for anyone, I thought it could still be helpful to see a small account from start to finish, or wherever we end up in the future. But keep in mind that with $300, it's such a small account that it doesn't leave you with a lot of room for error. So for all I know, this thing could totally flop, and you could lose most of the account to the point where you can't really do much with that amount, even if you have some left. So, I hope things go well, but you never know. But I figured in case it does go well, I want it to be recorded from the very beginning. So that's why I'm uploading this first video kind of prematurely, I guess, because I don't know if it's gonna work out or not. But yeah, that's all for now. I'll post another video kind of going into detail about what happened with the account, what I currently have, the current status of the account, in a separate video. And maybe in about a week or in a few days, I'll upload that. But yeah, that's it for now. Please consider subscribing and turning on the bell for future videos and updates on this account. Thanks for listening, and hope to see you guys on the next one.